A pleasant, happy Saturday morning, y'all. It is carnival time. I'll tell you guys that the parties are gonna pop up right after the other, right after the other. We are ready. We're heading out to a breakfast party, and I'm all dressed. And I want to just show you guys a quick fit. My original plan for my fit was to wear sneakers with this dress, and apparently I cut my foot this morning, and based on where sneakers, so it's behind my foot, so it's either I wear a open back sandals or I step at the pharmacy and buy a band-aid. And we want to wear the sneakers today, so we are going to wear the sneakers. So let me turn around and show you guys my quick fit right now so we can head out of here, because we're running late. The party's from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. and it's after 9 o'clock, and I live, let's say, 25 minutes away from the place. 25 minutes, yeah. But we're all dressed. I'm ready, and it's carnival, y'all. Like, we love carnival. If you're new to my channel, y'all, carnival, I love carnival. Carnival is coming up in, today's what, the 9th, so less than a month. So the road march is April 7th, and all of the parties I'm gonna start pop up from now. You know how Jamaica is, like, once it's a month away from carnival, we're gonna start partying and we're ready to go. So let's show you guys the fit so we can head out of here. Okay guys, so this is the quick fit. This cute little dress I got from Shein. I can link it down below for you guys. This bag as well is from Shein. And so this is the sneakers I want to wear. As you can see, it matches my the dress, the khaki style dress. Or I could have worn these sandals as well that I have on, which I still can't wear it on. It's the right foot that's cut actually. So I'm gonna have to like find an open back slippers right now so I can wear it until I reach the venue. So technically it was between this sandals and this one. Like, you can see the color matches. But yeah, your girl foot is cut right here. Can you see right here? So we're gonna jump, find a pharmacy and thingy. I mean, this would like look so good with it, but I just feel kind of, sneakers vibe. So what I call this type of dress, I have no idea. So yeah, this is the fit we're working with. So I'll see you guys at the breakfast party, and we're just gonna have a vibe. I'm so excited. Oh, I need to put on my chain. And yeah, we are ready. Let's go. At the event, we're just gonna head inside, see what's up. We all are late, by the way. It is going on to 11 o'clock. That's the first in history for me. That's a breakfast party. It's extremely late, but let's see what's happening here. Okay? Yes, please. Thanks. You're welcome.
Music. Let me see you put one hand if you know soca music. Alright, so we're going to start it off like this. Nocturne, are you ready? Anybody ever been to Trinidad? Anybody ever been to any other carnival?
To somebody else and say good morning. I want you to look at somebody else that you don't know and say good morning. I want you to lift up the rock cup now. Lift up the rock cup. Push something in the air. Everybody go put the air. If you're celebrating a birthday, could you put one hand in the air? Let me take it up, take it up, take it up. My DJ's Bloodline Franco. We have anybody inside here that loves soca music? Make some noise for me, please. No, I don't like what that song. We have any soca babies inside this party? Make some noise, please. So I can play songs like this, Franco. Give praise. I try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. You know what to do. Look how the sun now raising up, and the crowd now waking up. The atmosphere have vibes.
So we are on our way home. The event was super good. I totally enjoyed the event. The food, the drinks, everything was flowing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little snippets as well of the event. I stopped and buy some Chinese food, so I'm just gonna head home, shower, eat, and just relax for the rest of the weekend. Probably pick you guys up back tomorrow, which is a Sunday. Hopefully, I'm not sure yet, but yeah, the event was super nice. And I'm super tired too. Yep. But it's still Pisces season, so happy to all the Pisces baby out there. Like, you know where the real deal. Okay, Pisces forever. Still my birthday. Lie. My birthday was like 2 weeks ago. It's not my birthday, but it's still Pisces season, so big up all the Pisces. So happy midweek, y'all. I did tell you guys that it's carnival. Carnival is coming up in Jamaica, so you guys may see me out 1 and 2 times during the week, because you know what, it's a season. Like I said in my last vlog, I won't be going everywhere as normal. I'll be going less parties this year, but you know, I gotta be outside. It's carnival, it's soca, it is love. Y'all know soca is love. So it's midweek, like I told you guys, it's Wednesday, and I'm heading out to a Frenchman event for tonight. So this is the fit we're working with. The short sneakers and this. I did my hair. I did go to the hairdresser and I'm actually having some clip-ins. Y'all, I created my own clip-ins because there's a call like 2 hair store and nobody had any clip-ins. So I literally just bought the hair, bought the clip-ins separate, and I sewed the clips onto the hair. Okay? Give it up for me. Give it up for me. Anyways, again, cute fit we're working with. And bam! I'll see you guys at the event. Okay, we are in the shuttle bus. We are ready to go. Eh? Alright y'all, so I'm leaving the event. Like, I am super tired. It is past, well actually it's midnight and I'm a little bit tipsy. Okay, it's carnival, so I'm gonna get all of them video here when I'm tipsy, and you know, it's just a vibe. It's just a vibe. Soca is a vibe. Anyways, I'm gonna head home and all that. So I have like 20 minutes of driving. Oh, it's green lights. Yeah, so yeah, it's home time. The vibe was not, you know, what I wanted to show you guys, But we're heading out next week again for an event that, you know, you're definitely gonna have the vibe next week. So we are done with the table. What I did was switch the top, so I had to like unscrew and whatever, because this section was over here and it's like the way to the entrance. I didn't want that there. So yeah, got this off Amazon, and yeah, I like it. It's cute little entry table. So the only thing I need to find now is like just stuff to put on it. Y'all, look at this big bump. By the way, I'm like clean and all of that, so the back is crazy. But y'all see this bump? Like, it's ridiculous. Anyways, so yeah, finished with the table. I did buy like a key sticker thing to go on the wall, because I actually bought that first before I bought the entry table. So I'm thinking to still put the keys on the wall above my lights here, or I can get like a small cute bowl and put it on the entrance table. But I really haven't figured out yet like what exactly I'm gonna do with the table. But yeah, we're bringing this place, you know, slowly but surely, to make it feel a little bit more homely, you know. All right, so I'm gonna pack up. I need to put away this stuff, and I need to put the keys on the wall. I think I'm gonna leave it there for now until I figure out what I'm gonna do with the entrance table. Yeah. All right, so this is self-adhesive, but it's so tiny. Like, I don't think I checked the reviews on Shein. Oh well, it's just gonna have to do. Let me just peel off this. I don't understand why it's so small though. It's tiny AF. Where should I put it? Close to that. Here. Bro, look at it. This shit is tiny as hell. And why does self-adhesives have to be like so big? Like, it's showing either way. It's just gonna have to do. Let me try it with my keys. See if it's good. Where's my other key? Perfect. So as I walk in, put my keys here. Yeah. I was thinking to get a mirror. Do you guys remember, like in my last vlog, I told you guys like I drove a good amount of distance to buy a mirror? Yeah, that mirror was to go here, but you know, I'll probably like put a painting here. By the way, did I tell you guys it's Sunday? It's Sunday. It's a happy Sunday. I need to put on some rice. I need to shower, eat my dinner, and watch some Dr. House for the rest of the evening. So that's the vibe that we have going on for today. I'm not sure if I told you guys, like this comes with, you can plug it in. It comes with a USB section as well. I think this is one of the reasons why I bought this one. And it's very narrow. It's perfect for my entryway because I don't have a lot of space. I have to make sure that I use the space properly, specifically. So yeah, so We are so tired and we literally did nothing today. Well, actually went to the pharmacy to get some stuff, but other than that, I was just here chilling all day. So it's just time to unwind. The rice is on the stove. I'm gonna quickly, grab a shower. By the time I get out, it should be ready to go. Each time like I have a pimple, it always comes almost in the middle of my forehead. Like, I don't think I'm an Indian. I don't think I have any Indian history or heritage or anyone in my family. I don't know why it always do that. All right. So, oh, by the way, I did buy a tripod from Amazon as well. I bought both the entry table and a tripod because I really needed one. Like the ones that I have, they are crooked. This one that I'm using right now, y'all don't even want to know how it looks. So I need to like unfold that, unbox that to see, if it's good to go and all of that. Remember guys, I do have an Amazon storefront, so anything that you see that I said, anything that I'm set up from Amazon is in my bio. The link is down below, so just shop from my store. Or if you don't see anything on my store, you guys can just still click the link and then you purchase whatever you want. Yeah, so I can get a little something. Yeah, let me go for the tripod. All right, y'all, so this is what I bought, the tripod from Amazon. Let's see what I have already. And then